Something you might have noticed on Wikipedia is that you can make links, hyperlinks, between pages. The way that you put in a link is you need to click onto edit mode. Make sure that you're logged in, of course. And then you want to find a keyword that is going to link to another Wikipedia page. So for instance, I might put medieval, because that might be a word that somebody might need a definition for. And so what I did there was highlight the word, go up to the top here, and there is an icon that kind of looks like a chain link, and when you hover over it, it says link as well. So I click that, and then it's come up with suggestions of what I might mean by that. So I'm going to choose Middle Ages. And now you can see that there's a little underlined blue link there. You don't want to link too many words, but just to kind of key places. So the Courtauld Institute of Art is always a good one to link to. And in the case of this person, Maisie Anderson, she actually has a rather famous family. So her husband, George Trenchard Cox, if I go link here, I know that he has a Wikipedia page, but it's not underneath his full name. So I just had to try different versions of the name to get to his name there. So George Trenchard Cox is there. And finally, we just want to make sure that that's all saved. So at the top of the page, click Publish Changes, Added Links, and Publish Changes there. And now you can see that we've got links to other pages on Wikipedia, and this helps people to find your page, and it can also help to define terms, and it helps with notability to show how our photographers are connected to other people and other places.